Hi, I'm attorney Gregory Dell, and here today with attorney Rachel Alters. How are you, Rachel?
I'm good, Greg. How are you?
Good. Today we are going to discuss attorney fees in ERISA disability insurance cases. Now, Rachel, you've been involved in hundreds of ERISA disability lawsuits.
Yes, I have.
And can you discuss what it takes in order to get attorney fees awarded in an ERISA disability lawsuit?
Well, Greg, it's not as easy as it may sound. In an ERISA case, in order to get attorney's fees awarded, you need to show success on the merits of your claim, which would appear to be a simple task, but there are many situations where that's not so cut and dry. In some cases, like in a case that we just went in front of a judge in the Middle District of Florida, we, in our position, thought we were entitled to attorney's fees because we won on motion for summary judgment, and our case was remanded back to the insurance company for review. So there's a lot of case law that says we had success on the merits and we should get fees on that case. Well, the judge in that case didn't agree and decided that we weren't entitled to fees at that point, and he was going to wait to see what the insurance company did with the award, whether he was going to award the benefits or not. So it's not that cut and dry or easy to get attorney's fees.
I think there's a few things with attorney's fees. First of all, a lot of people don't know that if you win an appeal before you even file a lawsuit, you're never entitled to any attorney's fees whatsoever, which is completely unfair because you get cut off, you have to hire a lawyer, you pay your lawyer to help you. You win, which is great when you win, but there's no provision to get attorney's fees. Now, if you file a lawsuit and you're a prevailing party, then you can get attorney's fees. Well, we know it's complicated. What does a prevailing party mean? We know the law says that means success on the merits, and then in typical law fashion where everything gets convoluted and confusing, what does success on the merits mean? So it's important for people to know that even though there is an ERISA statute which says you can get attorney's fees, there's no guaranteed right to attorney's fees. Now, we've been successful in getting attorney's fees awarded, but the courts are not geared towards awarding them on a regular basis, and it can be very difficult. So if you have a claim and you're considering litigating a claim for ERISA benefits, you need to always be aware that getting an award of attorney's fees is very difficult and something that your lawyers need to be very experienced and skilled at doing those types of cases, and also knowing how to follow through to get the attorney's fees awarded.
And even so, it's up to the judge's discretion whether they want to grant them or not.
Right, and the difference is if it was a non-ERISA case, and there's states that have non-ERISA first-party attorney fee provisions, which means if you win, you get fees, then you're going to get them. But with ERISA, you could win your case, what you think is a win, and the judge can still say, you know what, I don't think you're entitled to the fees. So there's always a risk as to whether or not you're going to get attorney's fees. So feel free to give us a call. We can help you at any stage of your claim, and we always offer a free initial consultation to discuss your claim.